You guys discussed very interesting components here. Karen is definitely is spot on, but you forgot about one thing: stock repurchase programs. Guys, $450 billion only in the first quarter of this year, right? Obviously enabled by the last tax relief. So you cannot, I mean, this is a super important component here. The U.S. economy is on steroids. You will probably run on steroids until maybe the end of 2019, something very close to 2.9% real GDP growth. The fixed income markets are clearly telling you that they don't quite believe that it's not on a forward basis. The growth story can actually be quite different. That's why, you know, we've been flattening, and, you know, some other, you know, technicals in the U.S. rates curve are telling you that they don't believe that 2.8, 2.9%, almost 3% real GDP growth will be extended into 2020, 2021 at higher Fed fund rates. So I believe that, yes, I mean, it's great to see the tech sector is still performing. Although I have to say, in terms of earnings performance versus expectations in the sector, let's put Apple on the side, it hasn't been fantastic.
Let me ask you, though, the share buyback issue in particular, isn't that just a legitimate tool that companies can use to actually enhance their earnings per share performance?
Absolutely. It's a viable way to utilize your spare capital. But in a way, it's also a very important message that corporate America is not necessarily queuing up for capital expenditures. So, which is extremely important in terms of evaluating the R-star and the potential growth of the U.S. economy. So at the beginning of the year, we were all discussing strategists, traders, portfolio managers, okay, look at capital expenditures intentions, I mean, and there was a massive chart going north, and I say, oh, this is the moment. This is the moment we are going to break out. And as a matter of fact, I mean, a lot of this this CapEx intentions, they haven't yet materialized, and we are obviously seeing a boom in stock repurchase. So I don't think that the story has changed massively. It got a boost, and that's the reality of the U.S. economy, but that has very important implications for risk.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.